I like the sound. ASMR. Hey guys, my hair looks super brassy right now, and it just looks, I don't know, I just don't like the color. So today I'm gonna, you know, like fix the damage a little bit and also use a purple shampoo to kind of revert the brassiness. Maybe I should show you guys in the sun. Hold on. Look how brassy this looks. I don't know. I think it looks brassy. So I'm gonna try to make it like less brassy, and by doing a purple shampoo mask, if you will.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before, unafraid to reference or not reference, put it in a blender, shit on it, vomit on it, eat it, give birth to it.
So how you do that, it's super easy. You just grab an empty container, and then I'm gonna like, this is like conditioner, by the way. Add some conditioner. Oh, it smells so good. Actually might just use the whole thing. You want to be able to just cover the entire hair area. You know why I'm doing this? Because I actually dyed my hair. I don't know if you've seen my other video, but I've dyed my hair and look at how much this part is growing. Oh, it smells like candy. But look at that rootage. That's just a lot of hair for 2 months in quarantine, like 3 months. We have the whole thing of conditioner, so I'm gonna use some purple shampoo. Oh my god, it's like already. We actually don't even need that much, just enough so that, just so you have like a purple mixture. This alone would be a perfect hair mask if your hair is damaged but you also don't want to be brassy anymore, because this also, not only it will cancel out the orange tones because of the purple shampoo, it will also help with your damage because of the conditioner that you put in there. And you can stop here if you want, but I kind of want to make my hair a little bit like darker just because of the root. So I'm gonna use this Garnier, like I'm just gonna use the bottle of the tube of the dye. I'm not gonna use the mixing developer that it comes with. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that just for a tint. See, I added like that much, maybe like one more. See, that much. Oh, it just turned to like really light blue. Okay, so now that we have this mixture, I'm just gonna section my hair and then I'm gonna start applying it with my hands. Oh my god. Oh my god, I already got everything everywhere. No. I'm gonna use my hands, guys, just because I find this a better solution. god, it smells so weird. Maybe because it's of the conditioner. Look, I'm not even halfway there, but I already ate like 50% of the container. I added some more just because I just want to see more results. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. Damn, it's kind of like dark already. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave my hair on for maybe 2 hours and then I'm gonna wash it and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Just washed my hair and this is what the hair looks like. God. Do we even see a difference?
Sorry for this weird side-by-side before and after comparison, but I do like the after actually. I think my hair is way more toned and it does look darker, but I just want to fix my root. Maybe another video. What do you guys think? Let me know. But look, it looks so much better.
This is what my hair looks like after the purple hair mask, and I think the root is still like very visible, but I don't know, doesn't look as bad, I think, or maybe I'm just crazy. Look like Snape.
I guess I'm just a play date to you.
Just basically look left and right for like a whole minute. I'm seeing the viewfinder.
I forgot to film an outro, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so sorry for this super weird, abrupt closing like I always do. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and if you enjoyed this one, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're gonna hang out a lot in quarantine, and that's just how it's gonna be. So yeah, see you guys in my next videos. Bye.
You take your love.